Hey guys, James, Master Instructor at the Dean King Training Institute here in Southern California. Inside, we're putting the final touches right now on our booth for SEMA. Now, SEMA is happening next week in Las Vegas at the Las Vegas Convention Center. It's going on from November 4th through the 8th. If you haven't been to SEMA, again, I can't stress it enough, come and check it out. There is going to be over 30,000 people attending. Last year, I think it was closer to like almost 50,000 with close to 12,000 vendors that are on hand showing everything. You name it involved in the auto industry, it's going to be there, whether it's going to be wheels and brakes and tires and ceramic coating and wraps and dent repair and the list goes on and on. Guys, make sure if you're in Vegas or if you can make it out to Las Vegas this coming week, come check us out. We will be in booth 52205 in the Performance Pavilion. Come check us out, say hi. If you're a past student, graduate of the Dean King, come check us out, come shake our hands. We've got a nice gift for you guys. And again, come say hi. If you have any questions, give us a call, 1-800-304-3464. Check us out on the web at thedeanking.com. And again, make sure you guys come out and see us and say hi.